Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to enter GPS coordinates into Waze in 2026. If you have latitude and longitude coordinates and want to use them for navigation, this quick guide will show you how. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the search bar at the top. Now, enter your GPS coordinates using latitude and longitude, separated by a comma. For example, you can enter coordinates like 14.5995, 120.9842. Make sure you enter the numbers correctly, including the minus sign if your coordinates require 1. After entering the coordinates, check the search results and select the matchmaking location. Waze will then display the location on the map. Tap the navigation option to start getting directions to those coordinates. And that's how you can enter GPS coordinates into Waze. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.